represent Plateau Central. My president and my colleagues, just as explained by our president of the Senate, the presiding officer, I rise on behalf of the senators from Plateau and on behalf of the governor of Plateau and the good people of Plateau to express the sentiment and people of Plateau and the APC family on the Plateau to specifically thanking senators and very senior senators and former governors that are in the Senate and senators is amazing to the people of Plateau. And the governor has specifically asked me that before his official letter will arrive to the Senate and the National Assembly to express the deep appreciation of the people of Plateau for attending this program and to assure us that they will continue to support what the National Assembly is doing, and that Governor Mutfwang is so happy that you have accepted him into the party and he will contribute his own quota to the movement of the nation. On behalf of my dear colleagues in the Senate and on behalf of the governor and the people of Plateau and even the national chairman of the party, we want to say we are very grateful, Mr. President of the Senate, Mr. Deputy Senate President, and distinguished senators for finding time to honor us on the Plateau. May God Almighty continue to bless us to be there for one another. May God bless the 10th Senate and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I thank you for the opportunity. Thank you.
For the hospitality extended to us while we're in